Keyboard controls for navigation. One of the best ways to test whether or not an application supports keyboard controls is to start by using the Tab key. Tab is frequently used to navigate different menu options. For example, on this site, as soon as I select Tab, I get the first option, which is to skip to the main content of the page, and that is also an accessibility requirement. If I continue to tap the Tab key, it moves through each of the menu options, placing a black outline around the one that is currently selected so that I could begin typing into the search box once I know that I've navigated to that, and then jump to the page after I conduct the search. Once again, I can start selecting the Tab key and it will move through the menu options. If I hold down Shift and select the Tab key, it moves backwards. Without selecting in the search field, if I tap the spacebar, I jump down the page to what is just off the bottom of my monitor currently, but I can also use the up and down arrows to scroll in a more smooth and smaller manner to navigate as well. So Tab, Shift Tab, the spacebar, and the arrow keys are all supported by this application.